It's beach day in Malaga, Spain. Check out the beach, it's dead. Everybody finds it too cold in October, but it's actually like 20 at 9 a.m. and the water's not cold. It's pretty minty. I think we thought we'd hit it early because we're Canadians and we'd probably be too hot by midday, but it's just a beautiful little spot to walk around and explore. We'll stop somewhere here and have breakfast. This is, I think, kind of the hotel district by the looks of it. But yeah, hard to beat that.